Here I have MG MS6 and let me show you how to adjust hands-free phone call volume on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to swipe to the left until you see the settings icon, or let's just tap it. From the list of settings, you need to use the left side and scroll down to select here the sound. As you can see here, you've got a few sliders, and one of them is phone, as you can see right here. So this adjustment changes the speaker volume specifically for hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. Sliding this bar up makes the voice of the person you are calling louder and cleaner through the cabin. So you can decide how loud you would like to use it. Maximum number is here, of course, is 32, and you can even set it up to 0. So let's just use this slider to adjust it to your needs. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.